Prthu Maharaj was a powerful incarnation of Lord Krishna's potencies. Consequently, any narration concerning his activities is surely very pleasing to hear, and it produces all good fortune. As far as I am concerned, I am always your devotee as well as a devotee of the Lord, who is known as Adhokshaja. Please therefore narrate all the stories of King Prthu, who in the form of the son of King Vena, milked the cow-shaped earth. Lord Krishna is also known as Avatari, which means one from whom all the incarnations emanate. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, Aham sarvasya prabhavo mata sarvam pravatate. I am the source of all spiritual and material worlds. Everything emanates from me. Thus Lord Krishna is the origin of everyone's appearance. As far as this material world is concerned, Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva are all emanations from Krishna. These three incarnations of Krishna are called guna avatars. The material world is governed by three material modes of nature, and Lord Vishnu, Lord Brahma and Lord Shiva respectively take charge of the modes of goodness, passion and ignorance. Maharaj Prthu is also an incarnation of those qualities of Lord Krishna by which one rules over conditioned souls. In this verse, the word adhokshaja, meaning beyond the perception of the material senses, is very significant. No one can perceive the Supreme Personality of Godhead by mental speculation. Therefore, a person with a poor fund of knowledge cannot understand the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Since one can form only an impersonal idea on the strength of one's material senses, the Lord is known as Adhokshaja.